I've watched rocks go into this barrel and come out a week later, but I've never seen what rock tumbling looks like from inside the barrel. So I put a GoPro inside my rotary tumbler to see and hear what really happens. First problem, protecting the camera. I sealed it inside a clear waterproof case and taped it to the bottom of the barrel. Second problem, total darkness. So I added 4 small waterproof LED lights to the inside wall of the barrel. For this first experiment, I loaded a Lortone 3-pound barrel the way I normally would. Sodalite first, followed by coarse grit. Next came the water, just enough to reach the top layer of rocks. Finally, the inner seal and outer lid were secured in place. Once the tumbling started, the first thing that stood out was how violent the motion looked from the inside. From the outside, the barrel turned slowly and quietly, but inside, the rocks move quickly and it feels much more chaotic. The rough rocks just don't slide over each other. Their sharp edges catch against the rubber wall of the barrel, and that sudden grip sends them flying into other rocks. And you can hear it. The impact sounds sharper and more sudden than the soft rumble you hear from outside the barrel. In this narrow barrel, the rocks are pressed outward against the wall, almost like a slow centrifuge, instead of immediately climbing and cascading down. Over time, the sharp edges grind away and the motion becomes smoother. When the tumbling stops, the rocks settle to the bottom of the barrel and everything goes quiet. Now you've seen what happens inside a rock tumbling barrel. For the next in-barrel experience, I'll be trying something different, an industrial endoscope. Thank you for watching.